Looking for those temperatures to drop throughout the day today. Waking up this morning, you're already hearing the wind. If you're stepping outside, you're feeling it as well, but only going to get colder through the course of the next several hours. Gusts today 40 to 50 miles an hour and seeing that potential for snow, but no, not looking at the snow day potential. Could create blowing snow and limited visibility though for your afternoon. Beginning now with a live look from our camera at Lewis and Clark Monument. You see the clouds overhead, I-29, Missouri River down to downtown here from Council Bluffs, looking downtown Omaha. Not too bad. Visibility decent this morning. 37 feeling like 27 now for Omaha, 36 feeling like 26 Norfolk, and Maryville 36 feeling like 25. Live dual pulse super Doppler with our 3-minute advantage. Clouds continuing to increase out from the northwest. Few flurries possible as we work our way just to the west of Fremont and to David City as well in Columbus area. Could be seeing a few flurries, but expecting that chance for spotty snow showers, pretty light, especially into the afternoon. But once again, it's those gusty winds that could really create those hazards. Impact weather throughout the day today. We already have the wind gusts this morning now up to 40 miles an hour. Staying with us throughout the afternoon with those temperatures dropping. 33 degrees at 10 o'clock, 30 there by 2. Temperatures for your afternoon, mid-20s, feeling like the teens. We do have a wind advisory just west of the Omaha Metro. Does include Lincoln in effect now until 6 p.m. Gusts possible up to 50 miles an hour. Winter weather advisory, Crawford, Carroll, Audubon counties on the Iowa side until 9 p.m. Could see up to an inch of snow, but both of these issues, it's going to be the blowing snow and limited visibility. Storm predictor throughout the day today. These numbers are our wind gusts expected to really ramp up into your afternoon. Noticing these very spotty light snow showers, even though we're looking to pick up less than an inch. Any blowing snow again could create snow squall conditions and very difficult hazardous driving. Impact weather continuing for your Saturday. Downright cold temperatures. Low overnight of 8 degrees, feeling like -10 tomorrow morning. Keeping gusty winds with us, a high of 14 tomorrow, feeling like about 0. Not quite as cold, still windy for your Sunday, high of 38. Cold, breezy again to start the week. MLK Day Monday, a high of 22.